So now that we picked up Martell, the Golden Hammer Kid, we're about to head to Family Dollar and we're gonna pick up some tools.
Ayy, left you on red on purpose, thought I told you I ain't perfect, I ain't no girl worth it, shit, I'm still new, I'm still learning, I be in the house like a hermit, tryna get the green like I'm Kermit, I walk in the store shirtless, and they still give me the service, ayy, I be in the lab like Albert, I be in the gym like Halp.
So, okay, couldn't find a satin pillowcase, but
How you doing?
You got some hair that look fake.
Huh?
You got someone's hair that look fake.
Alright, we back in Kroger's. You know, same man, different clothes. And looking for that apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar. Alright, let's see if we can find it. Apple cider vinegar. Oh, Hank, is this here? Is this where the apple cider vinegar is, Martell? Huh? I think it is. Let's see. When you are getting apple cider vinegar, make sure you get the apple cider vinegar that is with the mother. If you are getting apple cider vinegar.
Say that I'm working too hard, I should learn to relax while you hanging without me, I ain't got friends in this shit, dog. All of y'all snakes. Now they wanna come be cool with me.
Hey, what's going on? I'm back. So, had to run to the store. Had to go grab Martell and from school, and yeah, so I got everything. So just to kind of, we didn't get everything because we forgot the satin pillowcase. Didn't get that, but don't worry about it. Yeah, that's just Martell right there. These are some of the things that you're gonna need. Just waiting for him. He's using the restroom. Alright, so now we back. Let me just run down the list of the things that we had to get from the store. We got the apple cider vinegar, raw apple cider vinegar, unfiltered with the mother. The second thing that I had to get was a dispenser. The dispenser is what you're gonna use to put the apple cider vinegar in. You're gonna mix about a quarter of apple cider vinegar, and then you're going to fill the rest of the bottle with water. You may not use all your apple cider vinegar. I do, because I use it not only for my beard, but also I use it for my hair. If you want a alternative, you can go buy, I think it's coconut vinegar, I believe. So you can go find an alternative. If you don't want apple cider vinegar, again, you can go get coconut. The third thing that I got was some plastic cups. And then you're gonna have I call it Jerry Curl bag. This is the plastic cap. This is going to create the steam to help open up those cuticles and get some moisture inside those cuticles. With that said, let's get right to it. Okay. Okay, so we've already done the full treatment. The bentonite clay, the deep conditioner, the wash, the apple cider vinegar. I've done that to my beard, and I've done it to as far in my hair as well. So now, about to go to the barber shop, get this thing looking sharp. You ready? Let's go. All right, we're at the shop, the barber shop, and about to go talk to Dre. We ain't seen Dre in a second.
No, I'm a sucker for love. You do for love. I'm a sucker for love. Oh no, sucker for love. Turn it up loud. Every little thing, baby.
Alright, just got back from the barbershop, as you can see. Got my stuff trimmed up. Alright, so I guess we're about to do we have to wrap it up. We're gonna do the wrap up. Alright?